Transfer from Gusto to bank account. Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how to transfer money from Gusto to bank account. So let's get started. We'll log into your Gusto account and sign in with your account credentials. Then access your payroll or wallet. Depending on your account type, click on either. If you have payroll, if you are an employee looking for direct deposit, or wallet or pay stub and payments if you are using Gusto wallet or similar features. Then select transfer. Look for an option like transfer to bank or direct deposit. If you have not linked a bank yet, you will be prompted to add a bank account. Then enter your bank details, input your bank routing number and your account number. You can choose whether it's a checking or savings account. After that, enter transfer amount, specify the amount you want to transfer from your Gusto balance. Review all details carefully, then click transfer or submit. Remember that Gusto will process the transfer, which usually takes 1 to 3 business days depending on your bank. Then verify transfer, check your bank account to confirm the funds have arrived. Always keep a record of the transaction for your records. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.